Hello, welcome to Shave of the Day. Just turn my light on here. Weekend shave of the day. I've had a shave for a couple of days. But today I'm going to be using this razor. And this is the HomeLike Start. Sounds like a breakdown recovery service, doesn't it? AA Home Start. That's what it is. HomeLike Start. It's a Russian razor. It's stainless steel, 304 grade stainless steel, handle 82mm and it's 12mm in diameter, and the weight of the whole razor together is 105 grams. Quite a small razor, but Russian made. I've not used a Russian razor before. Now these razors, they come supplied from Russia with 4 base plates, 4 separate four separate base plates with different levels of aggression. I'll just quickly put my glasses on and tell you what's what. Currently on the razor here I have the closed safety bar 0.9 blade gap. There's also come supplied with an open comb plate. This is also 0.9. Is that the right way up? No, that's the right way up. See that on the base plate there? The actual blade gap's actually etched in to the plate, so there's no A, B, C, D plate or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually gives you the actual blade gap. Also this is the most mildest of the 4 plates. This is a 0.69 safety bar. And the most aggressive 1.18mm safety bar. So that's it, 4 plates. The kit comes together. If you look on the website in Russia, do the conversion, it works out to about 85 quid, about £85. That's the razor, top cap and 4 plates. So that's the razor I'm going to be using today. I'll just load the blade while I'm here. Using the Russian razor, so I'm going to use, oops, there goes my little nylon whitewasher. Going to be using Rapira, the Rapira Platinum Luxe. I'll be using one of those on the first use. It's here in the wrapping. I've just unwrapped it, double wrap blade, and that's underneath the top cap. You see you've got those elongated posts there. Drop the blade on the floor. God, I've got the gremlins here. Fits onto the posts easily enough, and I am shaving with 0.9mm blade gap. Fits together nicely, as you would expect. Smooth red. And there's the blade show. So, first time using this today. Sent to me by a subscriber to try out, Mr. J Fret. I'll just splash some water on the whiskers. How's everybody doing? Good to see you all. I've been off work all week. I was given a week's holiday because I work in public transport, and because of the frequency of buses, whatever, it's all being decreased because of the lack of people travelling. So I was put on a week's holiday. Back in next week for 4 days, then I've been put on another week's holiday. So such is things. Right, soap I'm been using today, Sorrento. Spread it out in my super-sized lathering bowl there. That was a sample sent to me from Chris over at CB Shaves. The brush I'm using, it's going to be an Amiga bore, 7mm loft. Give it a shake out. Yeah, so I've been off all week doing nothing. Take these glasses off. Glasses don't look attractive. But being off work at the moment is not such a bad thing, because we had 13 drivers at the company I work for. They tested positive with the virus, and sadly in the last week 2 have passed away, the youngest being 39 years old. So It's not too good. It's not too good at all. Oh, sorry. This soap is MoonSoaps Sorrento from MoonSoaps. I forgot to mention the all important MoonSoaps there. Just give it a note on this. Say I don't have to puck because it is a sample. Top notes of maple, bergamot, pompello. I don't know what maple is. I'm assuming it's maple-ish. Bergamot, pompello. That's a type of grapefruit. Got mid notes of lemon, black pepper, jasmine, and pineapple, and base notes of vetiver, tonka, and amber. What I can tell you is it's a lovely, nice, pleasing scent. I'm just adding a little bit towards the time here in the bowl. Let's see how we get on with this razor. As you know, a lot of things I come onto video, first use, it's just like you buying a razor, you know, you're just showing you what's maybe you could expect on your first use of a certain type of razor. Lava's up nice and quickly, and it generates a lovely glossy lava. Look at that. That's good enough to go. That's good enough to go. Let's run our hands. Let's give the face a little spray. Look at that, before I've started, I've got lava up above the right eyeball. Oh, I've gone over the 400 subscriber mark, so thanks guys, it means a lot, over 400. Thank you to each and every one of you. Look at this lovely lava. Lava's up as quickly as a cream. I would normally apply a pre-shave and bowl lavering, but just can't be bothered. Plus the scent on the MoonSoaps, it's not an overpowering scent, you know, very, very pleasant but not overpowering. So I wouldn't like to contaminate the scent, because I think the only pre-shave I've got now is menthol at the moment. I do have some sandalwood pre-shaven, maybe that would have worked a little bit. I've mostly been straight razor shaving this week because I've got a couple of straight razors that have been sent to me to try out. So I've been working with a Spartacus from the 1920s, and I've got a Bengal. So most of my midweek shaves will be with the Bengal. And JJ Shaves, John June, has asked me to do a comparison shave between the straights. So that's what I'll be doing next week. Shaving with the Bengal. Let's put them all together. Suppose you've got snow, ice. Yeah, in the UK, it's actually got, in places of the UK, parts of the UK, mainly northern Scotland, have actually had temperatures this past week of -16. Just wet the razor. This is the first touch to the skin with the HomeLike Start 0.9mm blade gap, the brand new Rapira Platinum Luxe, and MoonSoaps Sorrento. Smells of the Amalfi Coast. I like that feedback. I'm liking it up to now. Trying to think of what razor I haven't really liked it, well, over the last year. Obviously I've shaved with some I've not been too impressed with. That's very nice, it really is comfortable. I look forward to trying the more aggressive plates in the future on the open comb. There you are, right on the 30-degree angle for the sweet spot. Blade's feeling nice. Taking me time. Why not? It's Saturday today, so evening, so we'll just make this video, chuck it out there. I don't do a lot of editing as yet, but now I've gone over the 400 subscriber mark, I'm going to have to do something to make things look a bit more professional. So we'll have to start editing it sometime pretty soon. Just looking at various software options. Now I'm great with Photoshop, that type of thing. I'm super at Photoshop, but he blows his own trumpet when it comes to video editing skills. Just over 10 months since I started the channel, that's it really. And then it's only video editing actually in the phone that I've done. I've never actually uploaded the video files up to a computer and worked on them that way. But I think I'll have to start. Yeah, feels great. It's not a bad price, is it, for a stainless steel razor, quality build, with 4 different plates, about 85 quid. Of course you're going to have a little bit of shipping to add on there from Russia. Not a great deal of blade feel. When I first saw the 1.16mm blade gap cap, I thought, woof. We're feeling this now on the 0.9. I don't think it's going to be threatening at all. Yeah, it's definitely up there with the quality end razors, without a doubt. MoonSoaps. Good tackle. Tidy bit of kit. So relatively very cheaply priced razor for the quality of what you get. Can't complain at all. Right across. As you can see, the dome needs doing. Great. See, I've got a big star, crease, whatever, in my chin there, and quite often when some of these, especially aggressive ones, it'll get in there and it will catch, but it's just rolled over. Not a problem. My last video, my first use of the dart, Blackman dart, seemed to be received very well. So I'm assuming that a lot of you are considering the dart now that it's easily available in the UK. Going for BBS, see what it'll do. I don't want to go move for BPS. I start work again tomorrow, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I don't want to be doing a facial shave. It's actually feeling really, really mild, you know. Lovely. It's how would I describe this plate that I've got on now, the 0.9mm? I wouldn't even say it was mid-aggression. No. No, definitely not. Doesn't feel anywhere near like mid-aggression. I shall tell you after the fair pass how I rate it to plate B of the carve. So I caught up on a load of YouTube content last week. Now I've got it all. Now I've got a load to catch up with again. Happens that you catch up with YouTube, and as you're catching up, you get notifications at more and more people you subscribe to are uploading, so it's a never-ending game. It can be tricky sometimes. Got that side more than that side. We shall sort that out in the next pass. So this on plate number 9, not number 9, blade gap 0.9. I should imagine the cap below this in aggression, I should imagine that's extremely mild. See, it's a satin finish. Okay, it's not fancy looking, but the grip, it's not that grippy, but it's okay. But it's not the grippiest of razors by a long shot. It's you can tell it's Russian built, can't you? It's like the old Russian cars. Struggled a bit on those stubborn ones on the cheeks. Yeah, definitely struggling to get those off the cheeks. Yeah, so I have no qualms about using the next plate up. It's not performing anywhere near as good as a Rockwell on plate 4. Very easy to go against the grain on the nose. Under the nose. Don't shave your nose, soft lad. Yeah, very mild. Struggling to pick up underneath the old snot box here. Okay, so it's more aggressive than the Rockwell on plate 2. But less aggressive than the Rockwell on plate 4, or even 3. Carve Christopher Bradley, plate B. But with even less blade feel. So it'll be interesting to see how I do when I step up to the 1.6 blade gap. I'm actually a tad disappointed. I thought it was going to have a little bit more in it than it has. But I've still got the open comb to try. Right, feel around for pickups. It's missed a lot, you know. Missed a hell of a lot. Gosh. Yeah, I don't know, 0.9. Blade gap, 0.9 blade gap, it's really, for me, it's not enough. You know, the Rockwell on plate 4, it would have had this ghosty area sorted out in pass 3. As you can see, I'm doing a lot more work than I usually do. Oh. Find the unshaven bits everywhere. Oh, God. So, soap's very slick, so I'm just shaving on that at the moment, on the pickups. I know I shouldn't. But the milder, this razor is so mild, that I don't think I'm going to cause myself any problems by doing that. Most of the neck actually isn't bad. But the neck is where you run the most chances of overshaving when you're trying to buff down to BBS. That's okay, that's got the neck good now. So I think I'll call that. Oh, even up here, can't call it that, no way. Calling that. It would be silly to go on any further. Let's rinse it off. I think that's probably one of the milder shades I've had for a while. Well, I got there in the end. Post-shave feel off the soap. Typical of MoonSoaps. It's very nice indeed. The amount of work I put into the shave is probably akin to what I do with the Feather ASD2 here. Honestly, that's how much work I had to put into it. So that plate's on 0.9, by no means Is it aggressive in any way, shape or form? So it was quite mild. There you go, first use of the HomeLike Start. What shall I put on? What shall I put on? This always gives a burn if there's something wrong. The Arco. Plenty on. Okay, there's a little bit of a sting there that I was expecting because the amount of buffing that I was doing. Apart from that, I have had smoother shaves. But nevertheless, it was a good shave. Okay, thanks very much for watching, guys. Now, thank you for all the new subscribers. Anybody that views, anybody that leaves comments, thumbs up, even thumbs down. Thanks very much, much appreciated. You all stay safe now. I'll see you further down the line. Cheers, boys.